folks, Jimmy here. So today we're going to work on the aluminum bracketry and the support system for holding the Honda generator in the compartment. I'm also going to spray some foam into this compartment here, and I'll show you the can of foam I'm going to use. Pretty good stuff. And I think I'll mount the box up here just to get this cord out of the way, and I won't do the electrical connection on it yet for the whip coming out to the plug, because I don't know how long it's going to be. And then I'm going to focus on how I'm going to do the aluminum bracketry and the bolting of it and all that. That's the plan for today. Well, this is as far as I've got tonight. I've got the unit lowered down. I've aligned the I-beams of aluminum with the feet 6mm bolt holes, so I'll be able to bolt it onto the I-beam. That's pretty much just keep it from sliding around left and right. It's not that critical, but I do have to get it critically aligned so that the bolt holes line up on this edge of the I-beam. I will then also trim these back a 1/4 inch or so back from the front edge. This one's going to have to be trimmed at an angle 1/4 inch back from the front edge. It'll be brought up to the unit. Yeah, I'm excited. And then over here, this is how I'm going to have the back end done. This is where I'll need the light for us here, I think. Well, maybe not. Let's see what we got. Yeah, a little light always helps the camera. So, the load's being carried on that aluminum that's coming over. Those are drilled and tapped bolts. That's a drilled and tapped bolt right there. I will have a couple more going through the framework here, because there's a piece of metal in there that it goes through. These will be the bolts that I would remove to lower this unit out. So my plan would be to remove these bolts, remove the bolts going into the bottom of the bumper there, and then raise the camper up off of this. So it took me a while to get these all lined up and drilled and bolted so that everything's going to be lined up perfect. I'll pick up some spacers tomorrow at work, 5/8 deep. I was thinking maybe I'd mill some material, but if I put wood in there, I got to worry about rot. And I really am worried about shear, not this way. I'm not going to crush it. So I'm going to put a spacer in there, just to hold up the space so I don't bend the aluminum. And on the inside, I will put some, well, I guess what you would call it is a backing plate. And I'll probably use more of this aluminum that's 1/4 inch. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is going to work out pretty good. Waiting for the propane conversion kit to come in. This is more of this L channel. This is more of this L channel. So it's going and holding the I-beam from below. I plan to drill on this side and this side of the center web and 2 5/16 bolts down, clamping it up. So that's going to carry the load with 4 5/16 bolts going through the webbing, or going beside the webbing on each side. That'll give me structural stability this way. These are not going to rock this way because I got 3 screws in them. They're carrying load this way, and that way is going to be taken by the compression of the I-beam center, any forward and back motion. I'm excited. And then when it's all done, I'll be able to build a panel on here, probably covering most all of this, and mount it here. I'll probably leave the bolts exposed and the aluminum channel exposed, but I'll do it all in one piece of marine grade plywood, probably fiberglass it, and then fill it and paint it so it's really smooth and nice. And on the side here, I think I'm going to build up some sort of a surface so it goes across, but it will be a removable panel so I can get to the oil, check the oil, and change the oil. It's also the area that needs to come off so this guy can slide in and out. So this has to be a removable panel by all means. So the top of this unit can clear this area. Alright guys, that's as far as I've gotten tonight. I'll go inside, edit this. Guys and gals and people. I will go inside, edit this, and post it. Thanks. Hope you guys are watching. Hope you guys are having a good time.